Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Immanuel and I'm excited that you are here. Are you ready to transform your life? Are you ready to make your life better? On this channel, we are going on an exciting journey together where we will be talking about personal growth, health, and motivational tips. Yes, how to live your best life. So what can you expect when you hit that subscribe button? I will share some fun and easy tips that can help you stay healthy, some cool exercising tips, and if we get around to it, I might share some easy recipes that you can prepare at home for a healthier lifestyle. Get ready to hear amazing stories and powerful quotes that will inspire you, get you to feel awesome, up and going again. I will also share some practical tips that can help you balance work, school, even family life. And if you get around it, we might even talk about how to save money. The goal, the idea is to create a community of happy, supportive, like-minded individuals that we can each learn from and grow with. So if you're eager to learn and grow with me, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you get notified when I post my next video. Live boldly, dream big, and let's grow and become the better versions of ourselves.